Hello, we have a new feature for Resync, and also we'll touch on how to reset your data. It's always good to know how to reset the data on your device. As you know, Classmaster works across multiple devices, and sometimes you just need to resync it if you've done some work on other, needs to port it over, or if there's an update and you have a slight bug, it's also useful to know as it will reset the system and usually clear out most of the issues. So the resync button is just here. You just go into data, press resync, and it will resync the system in the back end. So if there's any classes that you had in one place, not in the other, then pressing that should solve the issue. Here, press cookies and site data, manage on-site data. You see all of these. So what you do is just delete these, and then you will reload and will ask you to sign in again. And once you've signed in, you will have a reset. It's another way of resetting the system and fixing any minor bugs that might have occurred into the system. We hope feature.